Life as we knew it is forever changed. One day in March, we were in our classrooms with our students. We were in our schools with our colleagues. Then poof, all of a sudden, everything changed.
Imagine what our kids are feeling like. We have to be prepared for what experiences, what emotions and feelings our kids are going to come and return to us with. What we really need is a blueprint for how to handle this.
And the question becomes, who supports our teachers?
I just want to encourage you to consider making plans where we have compassion ahead of curriculum, where teamwork is just as important as trigonometry, and where our character matters as much as chemistry. As we get ready to move into reopening, our kids, our families, and yourselves, we're going to need each other.
The kids are excited to come back to school. We're excited to be back in the classroom, and we need to work together to create a caring, calming atmosphere for our students.